this is the point of criminals that they look so ordinary. ठीक है, वो हमेशा ordinary लगते हैं. I retorted. Retorted means replied. To give answer. Retorted means to give answer. So she replied that criminals often look quite ordinary. Did you see the picture of Hyderabadi housebreaker? So housebreaker is a person or a thief which just comes to your house forcibly and he or she commits a crime there. ठीक है? Maybe वो चोरी करने आते हैं, maybe वो किसी पे attack करने आते हैं. तो housebreaker means when someone forcibly come to your house. So in the papers yesterday, he looked like any man on the street. So she said that कि उसको देख के लगता ही नहीं था कि वो एक criminal है. He was looking like an ordinary man. Okay. So he looked like any man on the street. Nishad looked doubtful. Nishad is still doubtful. He's not ready to believe. The monsoon broke the next day. Dark clouds with blinding flashes of lightning. ये पूरा मौसम को describe किया हुआ है, ठीक है? That dark clouds were there, thunder was there, and fury here means anger. तो thunder ऐसे आ रहा था जैसे वो अपना anger show कर रहा हो, lightning, okay? Flooding the streets with heavy downpour. Downpour means rain. So due to rain, the whole streets, every street, each and every street got flooded. And जब floods आते हैं तो क्या होता है? There is heavy traffic on the roads. जहाँ पे cars खड़ी होती है वहीं पे खड़ी रह जाती हैं, ठीक है? So due to that, they got unexpected holiday. So एकदम से स्कूल से उनको क्या मिल गई? Unexpected holiday. So I thought I would spend the time usefully. I sat at my desk. ये जो आए है, she is Maya in the whole chapter. आए कौन है? Maya. So Maya thought that कि आज मैं अपनी investigation को और आगे बढ़ाऊंगी because I got one holiday और मैं इस holiday को कैसे use करूंगी in a productive way. मैं अच्छी तरह इसको use करूंगी, ठीक है? So next one please. Who wants to read from this line? Raise your hand. Yes sir. Come. उससे पहले कि comprehension check के question है, let's discuss it orally. No need to write and fear. What did आजो बेटा आजो आजो. What did Nishad give Mr. Nath and why? Would invite him. Yes, he also thought that he was hungry and he wanted to help him. Okay. What is strange about Mr. Nath's Sunday? Mitathi. Okay. Every Sunday, one man who was a fair man, tall man, he used to come to him and he used to talk a lot. Madhav, why did Nishad and Maya get a holiday? Yes. Due to heavy rainfall, the roads got flooded and due to heavy traffic, they could not go to their school. Yes, beta. जितना भी अगेंस्ट बोल रहे हैं मिस्टर नाथ के वो माया ही है सर. डाउनपोर इज रेन बेटा, रेन. यस बेटा, स्टार्ट प्लीज.
Then I began writing about half an hour. Then I began writing about half an hour later. I turned towards Seven, who was lying on the tummy, chin cupped in his palms, reading comics. What want to hear what I've written? Asked. He looked up questioningly. I have listened all the facts we know about the Mr. Nath, which might help us to trap him. I said one to her. Seven nodded. Fact number one. I read his name, Mr. Nath. We must discover his name first. Do you think what his real name? Maya, Nishad asked. Probably not. I said, most crooks have an alias. I added a big question after Nath. Fact number two. I have written on the tenants at the Shankar house. He smart, strange and unfriendly. Number three.
So now she started writing. Now she's sitting on the desk. You can see the picture and you can imagine the whole scene. She's sitting at her desk and the boy, he is lying over his tummy, ऐसे tummy को नीचे करके उसके ऐसे लेटा हुआ है, and chin cupped in his palms. Palms are the hands and chin उसने ऐसे उसमें cup की हुई है, ठीक है, cupped. So he is lying over the bed and now she started writing. उसने सबसे पहले heading लिखी, this बेटा light, this one जो light words में लिखी हुई है, catching a crook. This is the heading of the day, catching a crook. And expert detectives कौन है? निशाद and Maya Pandit. By appointment to the whole world. So by appointment to, the meaning is already written. So according to Maya, इनको किसने चुना है? The whole world ने, ठीक है? The whole world made them detectives. Now she started writing. Now she asked Nishad, want to hear what I have written? So कहती कि तू सुनेगा कि मैंने क्या लिखा है, okay? So Nishad, obviously he was not much interested क्योंकि उसको पता है इसने बुराइयां करनी है मिस्टर नाथ की. So he is not much interested. Still he nodded. Nodded means okay, ऐसे ठीक है, up and down. So he said that okay, speak up. So now she started speaking the facts. जो detectives किसने facts इकट्ठे किए हैं. So fact number 1 is his name is Mr. Nath. Nath is the surname. Now she wants to get his first name. Surname से पहले जो हमारा first name होता है, she wants to get that name. अब जो निशाद है, he said that, do you really think that this is his real name? You are saying he is a criminal, तो criminal अपना सही नाम थोड़ी बताएंगे. Mr. Nath is not the correct name then. Okay? Probably not. I said most crooks have an alias. Alias क्या होता है? Alternate name. ठीक है? दूसरा name. I added a big question mark after Nath. उसने Nath word लिखा. Then she put a question mark there. Okay? Just give me 1 minute. Devang, any doubt? Gorish and Saksham Samarth, you people are raising your hand.
Ma'am, I raised hand for reading.
Okay, Devang.
I have a doubt.
Devang, your voice is cracking. Saksham Samarth.
Yes, ma'am. I have a doubt. Ma'am, what is the meaning of retorted?
What is the meaning of?
Retorted.
Replied, beta, replied. To give answer.
Okay, ma'am.
Veronica?
मैम क्वेश्चन लिंक का क्या मतलब है?
Repeat your word.
क्वेश्चन लिंक.
Questioningly means having so many questions in your mind. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
So fact number 1 done. Fact number 2. I read on the tenants. कल मैंने tenants का meaning बताया था. Anyone? Yes, people who live on live in rented house. They are the tenants. अब there is one Shankar house. उसमें बहुत सारे tenants रहते हैं. One tenant is the family. Another tenant is Mr. Nath. ठीक है, maybe उनके neighbor का घर है. So she said that the tenants of Shankar house say he is mad, strange and unfriendly. तो इसने उनसे भी बात कर ली उसके tenant से. So they said that he is a mad kind of man, strange or unfriendly. Okay. Okay. Number 3. From 1, 2. Okay. Third line.
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, your voice is cracking.
My voice.
Yes, ma'am.
Savya also. Ananya. Devang.
No, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, your voice is cracking.
Yes, ma'am. Your voice is cracking.
Sarang, you want to read? Come. Okay, give me 1 minute, please.
No, ma'am.
Fact number 3, he doesn't talk to anyone and he is mannerless. But he talked to us, Maya, and Mama says he is very polite. Nishant interrupted. He only talked to us because he had to, I said. And since he was under Mama's medical treatment, he had to polite. Fact number 4, he doesn't receive my letter. 7 nodded. Number 5, he's been living in room 10 of the Shankar house for more than a year. I continued. Number 6, he doesn't work and sits in his room all day. Number 7, the kids in Shankar house and even some of the grown-ups are scared of him. Number 8, I have changed the network. I hope now
It will be fine in just a minute. So Saksham, Samarth, my voice is cracking.
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
now it is fine.
Clear.
Ma'am, now it is fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now fact number 3. He doesn't talk to anyone and he's mannerless. Okay. So fact number 3, but he did talk to us, Maya, and Mama says he's very polite. Nishad interrupted. Interrupted kya hota hai? When you stop someone from speaking. So he said that, how can you say that he's mannerless? He talked to us every time. Whenever our marble goes to his house, he always gives back our marble and he talks to us. Then how can you say that he's mannerless? Then he only talked to us because he had to. She said, and since he was under Mama's medical treatment, he had to be polite. So she said that कि जब तक उसका treatment चल रहा है, he is polite. Otherwise, he is a mannerless boy. Okay. Fact number 4, he doesn't receive any letters. So जिसकी letters नहीं आती, so according to Maya, he is a criminal. Okay. So next is number 5. He has been living in room number 10 of Shankar house for more than a year. I continued. So ये जितने भी fact हैं, they are just baseless. वो 1 साल से वहाँ पे रह रहा है, इसलिए वो criminal है. It doesn't make a sense. ठीक है? So number 6 is he doesn't work and sits in his room all day. चलो ये थोड़ा valid point है. He doesn't work. Then from where he gets his money. ठीक है? Number 7, the kids in Shankar house, even the grown-ups. सिर्फ kids ही नहीं, बड़े भी उससे डरते हैं. ठीक है? He has so many scars on his face that all people are scared of him. Next, number 8, he has no visitors except for a spectacled, fair, fat man who visits him on Sunday. So he has no friend, he has only one friend. अब इसको लग रहा है कि जो इसको विजिट करने आता है वो भी क्रिमिनल है. ये दोनों क्रिमिनल मिले हुए. ठीक है? So number 9, 4th line please. कल टर्न आई थी? Be honest. कल टर्न आई थी? नहीं है? Yes, number 9.
Food and tea are taken to his room by Ramesh from the restaurant downstairs. He doesn't care what he eats, pays his bill immediately, and tips well. That ends my list. Have I forgotten anything? 7. Nishad had obviously not been paying too much attention to my list of facts. All he could say was, poor man, Maya, he must be so lonely if he doesn't have any friends. How can a crook have friends, idiot? I almost shouted. At least he has one friend, the one who meets him on Sundays, said Nishad. A brilliant thought occurred to me just then. That man must be Mr. Nath's accomplice in crime, I said. Maybe he keeps all the loot and he comes now and then to give part of it to his partner. Mr. Nath for expenses. That's it. I am sure I am right.
So fact number 9 is beta, food and tea are taken to his room by Ramesh from restaurant downstairs. So this is fact number 9. He doesn't care. He eats whatever is given to him. He pays bill immediately and tips well. So that's end my list. Have I forgotten anything? 7. अब उसने 9 point बनाए हैं. Still she is asking that have I missed anything? So 7, who is least interested, Nishad had obviously not been paying too much attention. अब उसको लग रहा है ये बोल रही है, इसको बोलते रहने दो, ठीक है? So poor man Maya, he must be so lonely if he doesn't have any friend. अब Nishad is totally opposite. उसको बार-बार लग रहा है कि he is a poor man, he doesn't have any friend. At least he has one. How can a crook have friends, idiot? I almost shouted. Then Maya said that if one is criminal, obviously he has to live lonely. उसका कोई friend नहीं हो सकता, ठीक है? At least he has one friend, the one who meets him on Sundays. So same चीजें बार-बार आ रही हैं इस chapter में. I think सब आपको भी याद होगी होंगी. So one man comes to him every Sunday. He's a poor man, but he gives bill on time. He tips well. So same things, ठीक है? Next is a brilliant thought occurred to me. Just then, अब उसको एक और विचार आया. Fact number 10, that is, क्या आया कि ये जो इसको मिलने आता है, he is his partner in crime. ये दोनों मिलके crime करते हैं. Then the man who comes to him, he is having all loot. Loot क्या होता है? The things they have stolen from somewhere. So he is having all the things with him, and time to time वो उसको Mr. Nath को थोड़े थोड़े पैसे देने आता है just for his expenses, ताकि वो अपना खर्चा निकाल पाए. ठीक है? Another guess. So next is, that's it. I'm sure I'm right. So Maya concluded that she is right. Okay. Next one, online students. Who wants to run? Jaldi run. Who wants to read? Okay. Yes, Gaurish. Reading का पूछ रही हो? Yes, Gaurish.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, beta. Half page. Then I'll ask you questions, please. Yes.
Ma'am, this full page 91.
Where are you, Gaurish? If you insist on calling him a
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. From if you then you make me mad.
हाँ जी बेटा पूरा पेज.
Okay, ma'am. If you insist on calling him a criminal, I don't think I want to discuss anything with you, Maya said Nishad angrily. He can't be such a bad man if he gives Ramesh such generous tips. Ramesh probably knows something about his past, so Mr. Nath must be bribbling him to keep quiet, I said. Nishad glared at me with his arms tightly crossed across his chest. I was beginning to get fed up with him. How can we make any progress with our investigations if you take that attitude? 7, I asked. I will cooperate only if you give up this idea about him being an escaped crook, said 7. You really make me angry. I almost hit him. I make you angry, you stupid oaf, I shouted. You make me mad.
Okay, beta, okay. So bribing क्या होता है? It's a kind of corruption जिसको हम रिश्वत कहते हैं. ठीक है? Bribing. When you give money to someone for bad purpose, ठीक है? That is called bribing. So if you insist on calling him a criminal, I don't think I want to discuss anything with you. Now Nishad is fed up. अब उसने एक final अपनी statement दे दी है. If you will just call him criminal, don't discuss anything with me. I'm not interested in listening to your these stupid reasons. Don't talk to me right now. अब निशाद ने अपनी final statement दे दी है कि don't talk to me. आपने ये detective बनना है तो you can just go alone. Don't come to me. ठीक है? So next one is Maya. So now Nishad is angry. He can't be such a bad man if he gives Ramesh such generous tips. वो कहते हैं कि इतनी अच्छी ये टिप दे रहा है किसी को. Then how can you say he's a bad man? अब उसको लग रहा है माया को कि he is bribing रमेश. रमेश को उसकी सच्चाई पता है इसलिए वो उसको बार बार पैसे देता है ताकि अपना मुंह बंद रखे. ठीक है? So this is another reason. So Nishad glared at me. Glared means look at someone in anger. ठीक है? So he looked at me with his arms tightly crossed across the chest. वो ऐसे करा अपने को. He's staring. तो अब उसको बहुत गुस्सा आ रहा है निशाद को. I was beginning to get fed up with him. How can we make any progress with our investigation if you take that attitude 7? कहती कि हम इसको कैसे पकड़वाएंगे पुलिस के पास if you are having this type of attitude. Okay? So I'll cooperate only if you give up this idea. अब निशाद कहता है give this idea. हमें और investigation करनी चाहिए that why he is so poor, why he is so thin, why he lives lonely. हमें ऐसे question ढूंढने चाहिए rather than just finding कि he is a criminal. ठीक है? So said 7, you really make me angry. I almost hit him. माया को इतना गुस्सा आ रहा है कि उसने उसको हिट करना शुरू कर दिया. ठीक है? उसकी पिटाई शुरू कर दी. So I make you angry, you stupid. Off क्या होता है? OAF. A person having no common sense. So she said that निशाद जो एक पर्सन है, he is not having any common sense. OAF off लिखा हुआ है last line में. Person without common sense, without having common sense. Okay, now last one, please. Okay, I'll ask you a question. Close your books now. Close your books and get ready. And online students, if you want to give answer, please turn on your video and hold your books. Akshara. Akshara, what example was given by Maya to show that criminals look quite ordinary? Yes, she gave example of Hyderabadi housebreaker. He was looking like a normal man, but he was such a great thief. Okay, okay. Next one, Jasmeet. Jasmeet, same question. Why they couldn't go to school? Why they couldn't go to school? Why they got holiday from school? उनको स्कूल से छुट्टी क्यों हो गई? Jotin? Because of heavy rainfall. So Jasmeet, what happened? Okay, I'll ask you another question. Get ready, okay? Raghav. So what was the first sentence she wrote on the notepad? What was the first thing that she wrote in block letters? Capital letters में उसने heading क्या दी? She was sitting on the desk. Catching a crook. Who are the expert detectives? Who appointed them? The whole world, exactly. So she wrote 9 facts. Who is willing to tell me any 5 facts? Quickly. Madhav, 5 facts. पूरे चैप्टर में एक ही बात चल रही है. Give me any 5 facts. चलो 3 बता दो. Loudly, loudly, loudly. बेटा माया के कौन कौन से डाउट्स थे? ओके, फैक्ट्स. ओके ओके, नेक्स्ट टू.
Yes.
इसके डर नहीं आए. Jasmine, give me 1 minute. Yes. Okay, he doesn't work and gives a tip belt. Okay. Harmeet, then Jasmine. Okay. Jasmine, any 2 points?
Ma'am, what is her first name? Mr. Nath was his last name. He gives generous tips to Ramesh. Ma'am, 2 point. But Ramesh goes downstairs to give food to the Mr. Nath. And in where he lives, he asked that people also in Shankar house. They said that he's a madman and he has no friends.
Okay, well done. So she was curious about the first name. Jotin, क्या हो रही है? She was curious about the first name. He doesn't work. He tips well. People at Shankar's house, they are scared of him. Any other point that is left? He has no friends. Anyone? Okay, a strange man comes to his house.
Ma'am, he doesn't get any letter.
Okay, he has been living here for 1 year.
Ma'am, he doesn't talk to anyone and he is mannerless.
He doesn't talk to anyone. He is mannerless. Okay. Anyone, something is left, then please tell me. Something is left.
Ma'am, he sits all day in a room and ma'am, he sits all day in a single room, and how does he earn money?
Okay. He spends the whole day in his room, and another one is he doesn't receive letters from anyone. Okay. I think we have covered all. Anything? That is done. A stranger comes to him every Sunday. Yes, okay. People at Shankar's house are scared of him. Something different, please. Yes, Bishop. He? Done. He doesn't work. Okay. Done, beta, done. हो गया. Okay, next question, please. Samriddhi. Samriddhi, my question is, okay, according to Maya, the person who comes to meet him, who's he? Okay, that is his looks. Otherwise, who's he? He's a... What did she say? Okay, fine. The person who comes to meet him, according to Maya, who's he? The person who comes to meet him, who's he? Explain. Okay, to give his share. Okay. Anything else you want to add? Exactly. So my next question, Shivang. Shivang, why he gives a nice amount to Ramesh? Why he gives a good tip to Ramesh? According to Maya. वो अच्छी टिप क्यों देता है रमेश को? Why? हाथ गुण. Why he is bribing him? Yes, exactly. Because Maya thinks that Ramesh knows his secrets and he tries to give him money just to keep his mouth shut. Okay? Okay, next one. Last question, I think so. Okay, how 7 ended the discussion? Online also, please. I'm going to mute myself for a minute. Karthik answer, then I will ask online. Okay, fine. Exactly. Jasveen?
He said that, okay, we will investigate about Mr. Nat, but we will not investigate in the manner of that he's a crook. We will investigate about why don't he has his friends. We will investigate what he eats.
Okay, fine. Yes, beta, correct. Okay, last page who wants to read? Okay, half of page. Half Jyotin, half extra. To stare, to look at someone. Jyotin, jaldi aa jao beta. Okay, Chehak, then Jyotin. यहाँ तक बेटा, नहीं यहाँ तक, कॉप्स तक.
Point of all these inquiries, if he's not a crook, if you think he's a nobody, what's the idea of bothering about him? Please tell me. Nishad looked thoughtful. I'd like to find out why he's so thin and why he's so lonely. I want to know why he doesn't have any friends and lives alone. Try to understand, 7. I told him if he's lived in Shankar's house for 1 year and hasn't made a single friend, there's something wrong. He obviously scared that someone will recognize him and give him to the cops.
There is no ending of the chapter. If you want to really know कि ये कौन था सच्ची में, then you have to read this novel, The Broken Flute. This extract has been taken from that. You can read the summary from Google if you don't have time.
Maybe no one tried to make friends with him, Nishad protested. Why should anyone bother? You have been seen what a nasty bear he is, I said. I don't care, said Nishad stubbornly. I like him and I am going to try and be his friend. Friends with the crook, ha. You are crazy, Seven, I said. The cops will take you to the jail with him. Do you want to happen, you idiot? Nishad merely glared at me and quietly walked out of the room. My theory seemed to have made no impression on him at all.
So, beta, last 1 minute, 1 minute. 1 minute, please. Okay, now Maya said that, okay, if you think he's not a crook, then we'll stop this investigation. So, but Nishad is still saying that कि हमें इस बात पे investigation करनी चाहिए that why he is living alone, why he is so thin, why he doesn't get any letters from anyone. ठीक है? Now इनकी कोई ending नहीं हुई है. Now again they are just arguing, and at last Nishad merely glared at me. उसने just मेरे को एक look दी and he left the room. अब हमें नहीं पता वो सच्ची में क्रोक है और सच्ची में उसको प्रॉब्लम है. Then you have to read the novel, this The Broken Flute. On this page, if you feel any difficulty in any word, you can ask me right now. Then this is the end of the period otherwise. Online students, any word you can ask me.